Hard money. What does the loan process look like with a hard money lender? How can I find a hard money lender? What are the top things I need to get a hard money loan? Gosh, such good questions, guys. I love y'all's questions. So it's not very hard to find hard money lenders. There's a lot of hard money lenders locally to your metro area. There's also going to be nationwide lenders. But the number one thing you're going to be looking for is a non-Dutch QM loan. This is going to be no debt to income ratio. This is no reporting, no credit pulls. This is just mostly going to be people looking for short-term financing for a real estate project. Also going to be personal guaranteed loans. Let me just caveat that. If you're searching on Facebook for a lender, you're probably going to end up with a broker that's adding fees to your loan. Brokers don't hate me for that. But yeah, it's true. Now we got that out of the way. What does the process look like and how do I proceed? So you obviously want to find a loan officer that you trust. You also want to work with at least 3 different banks in case one of them falls through on their underwriting or just kind of leaves you with no options. You never want to have just one bank. So now that you've agreed to a loan term and you want to move forward, fill out the application, send in your entity documents. Your entity documents should at least be your EIN number, articles of organization, your operating agreement, and certificate of good standing if you're in good standing with the state. And if this is a construction deal or like a rehab project, just make sure that you have your permits or permit status wherever you're building or doing your rehab. Make sure that your permits are in place, or at least give the lender an idea of when you anticipate to have those. Also, to get the appraisal ordered, you're going to need to give the construction budget, the architecture plans with the dimensions, and the purchase contract if it's a purchase. Lastly, you're going to need at least 2 to 3 months of bank statements depending on what bank you're going with. But these are non-QM, so you're not doing your debt to income ratio. You're just making sure that you got the liquidity for the project. It's typically your down payment, your closing costs, as well as like 6 months of interest payments. Guys, that's a hard money loan with, sick. Slug bug. That's pretty much it. That's a hard money loan for you guys. If you guys are investors, builders, or your agents looking for a referral source, hit me up. I'm a loan officer with a nationwide lender, and we take 0 experience needed to get a project. Experience. If you have experience, make sure that you got your statements, make sure you got your HUDs, make sure you got all the things necessary to prove that you have the documentation for the experience you've listed. Boom, that's it, guys. Like and follow for part 2.